Hello, this is Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for Thursday, November 26th, 2009. Quick reminder before I begin, the purpose of this daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky, so please don't trade any real money until you've established a proven track record of success on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to watch tomorrow's video to stay updated. Well, traders, as we had thought, the euro dollar had broken above the 150.50 area and then ran to the 151.50 level of resistance where it currently resides. With this bull run now in place before the US holiday, we do expect a continuation to occur. Not much can be said about this market other than traders will push currencies to extremes, so do expect irrational technical movements. In this case, most likely further continuation to the 152.50 area and then perhaps even the 155 during the next few weeks, if not sooner. Currently looking at the euro dollar, trading at 151.36. We're going to be looking at 151.50 as our only level of resistance. Specifically above the 151.50 level, I will mention this. We're going to keep an eye on 152 even, 152.50, and then we're going to move up to the 155 level. Of course, we're going to find more resistance areas in between 152.50 and 155, but we're going to need the market to guide us on that. First area of support for the euro is going to be at 150.50, followed by 150.20, 150, 148.20, and 148 even. Moving on to the pound dollar, currently trading at 166.99, just under the 167 figure. 167 is going to be our first area of resistance. It's right here. It's where the price is currently trading at. So we're going to move the 167 level right above the high of yesterday at 167.50. It's going to be our first area of resistance, followed by 168.50, 168.80, and 170. Pound remains a bit weaker than the euro, however, it's still moving higher, and we do anticipate a breach of 168, targeting 170 over the next coming days as long as the euro keeps climbing. First area of support for the pound is going to be found at 165.80, followed by 164.50. Below that, we'll be looking for 162.40, 161.20, and 158 as levels of support. Quite a ways from where we are now, but we don't see anything coming soon, specifically below the 164.50 area. So we will see a retest of that before breaking lower. Okay, next up is the dollar Swissy. One thing I want to mention on the pound dollar here is you can see we haven't been able to set a fresh high above the 68.80. We're going to need to break the 68.80 in order to reach the 170, of course, and that's going to confirm a further bullish run into the 170 area. If the pound is not able to break the 168.80 area, the euro may stall. Otherwise, we will see a further continuation in the euro pound currency exchange rate, perhaps up to the parity level. Dollar Swissy broke through the 100.30 level very violently, I should say, down to find support at the 99.50 area, still trading near that level at 99.62. First area of support is going to be at 99.50. Below that, we'll be looking for 98.80, and 96.40 follows. And let me show you how we got the 96.40. If we take a look on the weekly chart, going back to February of 2008, we can see that that was a nice area of support, and we can find that the third level of support is going to be at 96.40, and that's this wick that was set in February as well. Getting back to today's price action, can see breaking below the support area of the 10030. We could most likely, and we will most likely, see further continuation down to the 9880 area, and most likely we'll find quite a lot of support at the 9640. Dollar yen also breaking lower. Yen continues to strengthen, finding support at 87.20 for the dollar. That's going to be our first area of support, is the 87.20. A few minutes ago we were trading at 87.37. 87.20 will be the main support area. A break below that, we'll be looking for 85, which is below the chart. Actually, the chart doesn't go that far down just yet. And I can change that real quick and show you exactly what we're talking about. Here we go. 85 is going to be the next level of support. First level of resistance is going to be 88.20, followed by 88.80. Above that, we'll be looking for 89.50, 90.80, and a 91.50. If you'd like a more detailed analysis with potential trade opportunities, please join us in the members section. This has been Alex Kaczmarek for the FXEdge.com free daily Forex video for November 26, 2009. Until tomorrow, good luck trading and happy Thanksgiving to everybody in the U.S.